and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Today we're looking at a roller shade, and it is done in a style, it's a 4-wire system. So it has positive, negative, ground, and neutral. And the neutral enables us to stop the shade. Now this, as you can tell by the space, the electricity isn't on here. So we had to use independent electricity plugged in from a different area, and then we have a tester. And just to show that it works in the meantime, we're going to hit the down button on the tester, and it goes down. Now I can stop it at any point by putting it in neutral, hit down again, and it will go all the way to the very bottom of the limit, which is right here. And then on the way up, you'll notice that it's in the down position. I haven't stopped it, and I can put it in neutral, doesn't go anywhere. Up, it will go all the way to the top and stop at the predetermined position. So if you are doing new construction, it's always good to test out what you're doing to make sure that things are working the way they're supposed to. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.